Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP Photosmart 7520. This is nice and simple and can be done using the little control panel you can find on the front of the printer. So from the home screen of the printer, we need to go into settings, which is this little spanner up there. And from here, we want to go into tools, which is the second option down. And then clean cartridges is the third option, so we press to go into that. Now this will take your printer just a minute. You should hear some noises coming from the machine as it's pushing fresh ink through the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be preventing it from printing correctly. And once the clean is complete, the printer will automatically print a print quality test page from the machine so you can see the results of your clean. Now hopefully you'll be happy with what you see and you can carry on printing, but if not, you can carry on just doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you see an improvement. Now I hope this has been useful for you. If it has, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, just drop it down in a comment below. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.